Hey, Matt Stout here. I'm making a new video on how to show your Airbnb income history without giving us a Excel spreadsheet, which is what it tries to give you to do, because the underwriters can't use this income on some of our alternative programs unless we can prove that it came from Airbnb. And unfortunately, if you give me an Excel spreadsheet, that won't work because anybody could make that up. So Airbnb's changed this, how you have to do this since I made a video last year. So I'm just going to create this new one real quick. So I'm just going to go over here, log in. This is one of my listings. I'm going to go in and click on this Crescent Beach oceanfront game room listing that I've got here. And first thing I need to do is get the address and verify that this is the same property. So this is a bit tricky. You're going to go down to location, and you'll see the location here. But I need to be able to tie this address in with the name of the listing. So I'm going to scroll back up right here and get this in my frame. And then I'm going to just do a screenshot. I like to use Snip. And then I'm going to get this whole thing so you can see all of that, the name of the listing, the address, everything. And then I'm just going to go ahead and print that to a PDF. And we'll call this Airbnb location. I'm going to put the address in there. A1A South. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now I've got a PDF of the location. The next is the income history. And that's also a little tricky to get the way that we need it. We need only the last 12 consecutive months. So I'm going to go over here to back to listings. I'm going to click on this. Actually, I'm sorry, that isn't right. I go to earnings. There we go. This is going to give me just 1 month though, and I want 12 months, and I don't want it as a CVS file like it's going to try and give me. So what I got to go do is go over here to reports, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit create report, and then I'm going to use some custom dates. Right now it's Cinco de Mayo 2026, yay. So I'm going to go ahead and do the last 12 full complete months prior to this month. So I'm going to go ahead and do 4/30/2025, oops, through 5/1/2026. Oh, 05/01/2026. There we go. Go ahead and hit save. And then I want to get, all the credits, anything on there. And then I'm going to hit get report, and I want to download this puppy. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and print this Airbnb income beach 8200 A1A South. And I'm going to give it some dates, 4/30/25 through 5/1/26. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now when I look at this puppy, you're going to be able to see the earnings totaled, and then you'll be able to see each one by the month. But what's really important here is that it has this information up here with my name. It states the name of the property, and then it breaks it all down by month. This is the only way we can count this income on some of our alternative programs that won't make us use the tax returns. So Verbo is going to be different. If you're using Verbo, I've got a video already on how to do that. But that video is only applicable if you're not using a PMS. If you're using a property management software system, you're going to have to reach out to them and see if they have a way that you can document it and show me where it came from, because we have to be able to show it came from that property. Hope that helps. Thanks.